Every click, purchase, search, and customer interaction leaves behind a digital trail. Companies are collecting more data than ever before, but collecting data and understanding the data are two completely different skills. Today, businesses have access to massive amounts of information. But the real challenge is not collecting data. It is finding patterns, understanding customer behavior, identifying the problems, and making better decisions using that information. And that is where data analytics become important. Data analytics has become one of the fastest growing and highest paying career paths across industries. As companies rely more on data to make business decisions, the demand for skilled data analysts continues to rise along with competitive salaries and career opportunities. But what exactly does a data analyst do? A data analyst helps organizations convert raw data into meaningful insights. They answer questions like why are the sales decreasing, which products are performing best, why are customers leaving, which decisions can improve business growth. As more companies adopt AI, cloud, and automation, the need for professionals who can connect data to business decisions is only increasing, not shrinking. In 2026, data analytics is no longer limited to creating reports or even making a simple dashboards. Companies are now looking for professionals who understand business problems, can work with databases, build dashboards, automate workflows, and communicate insights clearly. So if you're planning to start your career in data analytics and are confused about what skills to learn and in what order, this roadmap will guide you through the complete journey from beginner level foundations to advanced analytics skills. Before we start, here's something you need to know. If you're serious about building a career in data analytics, the EICTA Consortium IIT Kanpur Professional Certificate course in AI-powered data analytics in collaboration with Microsoft Azure is definitely worth checking out. Now, one of the biggest challenges most beginners face is not learning the tools. It's knowing what to learn, in what order, and how everything connects together. Many people start with Excel and then jump into Python, watch a few SQL tutorials, build one Power BI dashboard, and eventually feel completely lost because there is no structured path. This program solves exactly that problem. It takes you from fundamentals of data analytics all the way to advanced AI-powered analytics in structured way, industry-focused curriculum. You'll start with Excel, SQL, Python, and Power BI, then move on to machine learning, cloud AI platforms, AI agents, automation workflows, and modern tools like Crew AI and N8N that companies are increasingly adopting today. What makes this program even more valuable is its hands-on approach. Instead of just watching lectures, you work on 170 plus hands-on demos, 11 real-world industry projects, and an end-to-end capstone project that helps you build a portfolio you can actually showcase during interviews. Apart from technical skills, you'll also learn from experienced industry professionals, attend exclusive masterclasses delivered by IIT Kanpur faculty, receive a 3-day campus immersion opportunity at IIT Kanpur, and also get AI-powered job assistance that includes resume building, LinkedIn optimization, mock interviews, and career support to help you prepare for the job market. So if you're someone who wants clear roadmap instead of spending months figuring out what to learn next, I have added the course link in the description box below and in the pinned comments. Do check it out. Now, before we continue, here's a quick question for you to answer. Let's see how many of you can get this right. Which SQL command is used to retrieve data from the database? Is it insert, update, select, or delete? Let me know your answers in the comment section below. Now with that, let's begin the complete data analytics roadmap for 2026. Firstly, let us begin with the right learning sequence. The first step in your data analytics journey is building strong foundations with Excel, Power Query, business mathematics, and basic statistics. Excel is still one of the most widely used tools across industries because businesses need quick analysis and also reporting every day. Start by learning formulas, functions, pivot tables, charts, filtering, conditional formatting, and data cleaning techniques. Then move to Power Query, which helps you automate repetitive data cleaning tasks and transform raw information into analysis-ready datasets. Along with Excel skills, understand basic business calculations like percentage growth, profit margin, conversational rates, and also comparisons. You should also learn the basic statistics because analytics is not only about numbers, it's about understanding what those numbers represent. Concepts like mean, median, standard deviation, correlation, and identifying unusual data points helps you interpret data correctly. Once your foundation is clear, the next and one of the most important skills is SQL. SQL should be the backbone of your analytical journey because most real-world business data is stored inside the database. Companies do not usually keep all their information inside one spreadsheet. Customer data, transaction records, product details, and operational information are often stored across multiple database tables. SQL helps you access, combine, and analyze this particular information. Start with database fundamentals like tables, relationships, primary keys, and also foreign keys. Then learn SQL commands such as select, filtering, sorting, grouping, and aggregate functions. After building confidence, move to advanced concepts like joins, subqueries, common table, expressions, case statements, and window functions. Skills like rank, row number, lag, and lead help analysts perform advanced comparisons and trend analysis. A common question beginners ask is, should I learn Python before SQL? The answer is no. SQL should come first because it teaches you how business data is structured and retrieved. Python is extremely powerful, but it is usually used after the data has been extracted for deeper analysis. Libraries like Pandas and NumPy help with data manipulations but cannot replace SQL because SQL works directly with databases itself. Once you have strong SQL foundation, the next step is learning business intelligence and data storytelling. Choose one BI tool initially, such as Power BI or Tableau. The purpose of business intelligence is to transform analyzed data into dashboards that help businesses make decisions. Learn how to import data, create relationships, build data models, create calculations, and design interactive dashboards. For Power BI users, focus on Power Query, DAX measures, filters, and dashboard publishing. However, remember that good dashboard is not about adding as many charts as possible. A good dashboard answers important business questions. It should clearly show that what happened, why it happened, and what action should be taken. For example, instead of simply showing that sales decreased by 10%, a strong analyst explained which region caused that decline, which products were affected, and what steps the business should consider next. This ability to communicate insight is what separates a dashboard creator from data analyst. After Excel, SQL, and BI skills, the next stage is Python and understanding the modern data ecosystem. Python helps analysts work with large datasets, automate repetitive tasks, and perform advanced analysis. Start with Python fundamentals such as variables, conditions, loops, functions, lists, and also dictionaries. Then learn important analytical libraries such as Pandas and NumPy. Use them for data cleaning, exploratory data analysis, handling missing values, merging datasets, and also analyzing patterns. At this stage, also develop awareness of modern data platforms. Understand concepts like ETL, ELT, data warehouse, data lakes, and data pipelines. Explore tools like Snowflake, Databricks, and dbt. You do not need to become a data engineer immediately, but understanding how data moves through the organizations gives you major advantage. It helps you understand how data is collected, processed, stored, and finally delivered through dashboards and reports. The next important skills for modern analysts is generative AI and automation. Generative AI is changing how analysts work. Tools like ChatGPT and Copilot can help you write SQL queries, generate Python code, explain errors, create documentation, summarize insight, and also speed up repetitive tasks. However, AI should be treated as an assistant, not as a replacement. An AI-generated query may run successfully but still produce incorrect results. A generated script may work but not to match the actual business requirement. That is why strong fundamentals in SQL, statistics, and business understanding remain important. Along with AI, learn automation tools such as Power Automate, Zapier, or N8N. Automation allows analysts to create repeatable workflows. For example, instead of manually preparing weekly reports, you can automate data collections, report updates, and also notifications. Now, after learning these skills, the next step is to proving your ability through projects. Certificates can support your profile, but projects demonstrate practical skills. Build 4 to 6 strong portfolio projects. For example, some may include an e-commerce sales dashboard, a customer churn analysis, marketing campaign performance report, a financial analysis dashboard, and automated reporting workflow. Each project should explain the business problem, data source, cleaning process, analysis of the dashboards, findings, and also recommendations. Publish your work on platforms like GitHub and LinkedIn. Recruiters want to understand how you think and solve the problems, not just to see the list of tools on your resume. Finally, let's talk about career opportunities and salary. With Excel and basic SQL skills, you can target roles like reporting analyst, MIS analyst, and junior data analyst. With strong SQL and BI skills, you can move towards data analyst and business intelligence analyst roles. Adding Python, automation, and business understanding can help you progress towards senior data analyst, product analyst, marketing analyst, and also analytics consult roles. In India, data analyst salaries vary based on experience, location, industry, and skill level. Entry-level roles may start around few lakh rupees per year, while experienced analysts with strong SQL, Python, BI, and domain knowledge can reach much higher compensation levels. Globally, analytical roles continue to see a strong demand as companies invest more in data-driven decision-making. But remember, salary growth does not come from learning more tools. It comes from combining technical skills with problem-solving ability, communication, business understanding, and practical experience. So the complete data analytics roadmap for 2026 is: start with Excel, Power Query, business mathematics, and statistics. Build a strong SQL foundation, learn Power BI or Tableau, and master data storytelling. Add Python, Pandas, NumPy for advanced analysis. Understand modern platforms like Snowflake and Databricks. Use generative AI and automation to improve productivity. Build real projects and showcase your skills. The goal is not to learn every tool available. The goal is to become someone who can actually take business problems, find the right data, analyze it, and provide meaningful insights. This is what makes the data analyst valuable in 2026. That's it for today. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Simply Learn for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep learning with Simply Learn.